Hey guys, this is Sony WH1000XM5 headset with active noise cancelling, very comfort, soft padded foam, and on top you can extend this. You can hook this up with Bluetooth and aux cable. What I want to do is to show you how to hook this up with your mobile phone using aux cable. So take the aux cable provided, connect it to this port, aux port, then connect it to your phone. Once you connect it with aux cable, it will go off from the Bluetooth. Now we're going to test the audio using upbeat sound. Select my playlist. This is with aux cable. You won't be able to control the equalizer, etc. So if you want to control the equalizer, then you need to connect this back to Bluetooth, but you can connect this with aux cable. Just hook it up. And this headphone, you also have R written on the right side and L written on the left side for you to know how to put this on. So we connected this using aux cable. So this is Sony Headphone Connect app. This app can only work with Bluetooth, but once you connect this using aux cable, the headset will go off from the app. And with Bluetooth, you're able to control a lot of features. So guys, this is how to connect this to the phone using aux cable provided. I'm happy with this headphone. If you want to control the equalizer, active noise cancelling, the ambient sound, etc., connect this headphone via Bluetooth. So you have a lot of options for you to control this headset from Sony Connect app. This headphone deserves your attention. Thank you.